Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question which is less than 500 rating difficulty. So the question is read pages. Chef has started studying for upcoming test. So in this question there is given that the chef has started for studying upcoming test. The textbook has n pages in total. The chef wants to read at most x pages a day for 5 days. Okay, find out whether if it is possible to chef complete the whole book or not. Okay, so there is a test, upcoming test in a chef. So chef is started studying. So you just have there is n pages in a textbook. You just have to check whether the chef is able to read the whole page in a number of days or not. Okay, so if he would be able to read the pages or book in a days, then you just have to print yes, and if it is not, then you just have to print no. Okay, so there is given a input 4. So there is given a number of test cases 4 and 5, and there is given a 5, 2 and 3. Okay, so basically the 5 is given. So the 5 here, the 5 given number of pages, okay, 5, and chef can read 2 pages one day. एक दिन में he can read only 2 pages. Okay, and there is number of days. So you just have to check whether he would be able to read the 5 pages in 3 days or not. Okay, you just have to check it. So for first day he can read 2 pages, and for second days he can read the 2 plus 2 which is 4 pages, and on a third day he can read 4 plus 1 which is 5. So yeah, he would be able to read the whole pages in a day 3. Okay, so this is the day. So you just have to check whether he would be able to read the pages or not. In the same way, there is another example given here, which is 10, 3 and 3. Okay, so chef can read 3 on a first day he read 3 pages. On a second day he can read 3 plus 3 6, and on a third day he can read 6 plus 3 which is 9. So it is less than 10, so you just have to return no. Okay, so I hope you understand the question that what is telling. So let's write the pseudocode here. You just have to check. First you have to create int test cases, and then you just have to take cnt number of test cases as an input, and then while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to create int x, y and z, and then you have to take the input x, y and z. Okay, and then you have to total pages he can read. You just have to multiply 2 into 3, which is y into z. This is y and this is z, this is x. Okay, and you have to check if total page is less than number of page, then you have to return false. Okay, else you have to return true. So I hope you understand the question, that what this question is telling. So let's code this. First you have to create int t, which is number of test cases, and then cnt, and then while t minus minus, while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to take int x comma y comma z, and then cin x, cin y, cin z. Okay, and then int answer equals to y into z, and then you have to check if answer is less than x. Okay, answer is less than x, then you just have to do cout no, else you have to do cout yes. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. You just have to do handle here. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.